Looking to upgrade your oral hygiene game in 2025? A great water flosser can take your daily routine to the next level, and today, we're counting down the best water flossers of the year. First up, the sleek and portable Waterpik Cordless Slide Professional Water Flosser. Let's talk about the Waterpik Cordless Slide Professional Water Flosser, a must-have for anyone serious about their oral hygiene in 2025. This flosser is designed with portability and convenience in mind, making it perfect for home use, travel, or even small bathrooms where space is tight. Its collapsible design allows it to easily shrink down for storage, and it comes with a sleek travel bag, so you can take it anywhere, whether it's a weekend getaway or a long vacation. It's not just about looks. This flosser is ADA accepted, meaning it's backed by professionals for its ability to improve gum health and remove up to 99.9% of plaque from areas that regular brushing and flossing often miss. It features a rechargeable battery for cordless convenience, offering long-lasting performance, and the waterproof build ensures it's safe for use in the shower. To customize your flossing experience, it comes with 4 tips, including options for regular cleaning and specialized needs, so it works for anyone in the family. The water pressure is strong yet gentle, helping to reduce bleeding gums and keep your teeth and gums healthier over time. Plus, the midnight blue design gives it a sleek, modern look that stands out from the usual clunky flossers. Next up is the Philips Sonicare Cordless Power Flosser 3000, a sleek and powerful device that takes water flossing to the next level with its innovative quad stream technology. Unlike traditional water flossers, the quad stream nozzle splits water into 4 wide streams, covering a larger surface area for a deeper, more efficient clean. This means fewer passes to get rid of plaque and debris, saving you time while still giving your gums and teeth a thorough clean. The flosser comes with 2 flossing modes, clean for a standard clean and deep clean for a more intense water pressure, and offers 3 intensity levels, allowing you to customize your flossing experience based on sensitivity or preference. Whether you're dealing with braces, dental implants, or just want a next-level clean, the Philips Sonicare handles it all effortlessly. Designed with comfort in mind, it features an ergonomic, cordless design, making it lightweight, easy to hold, and perfect for daily use or travel. The long-lasting rechargeable battery ensures you can go for days without needing a charge, while the water reservoir is easy to fill and clean, keeping maintenance simple and stress-free. Up next is the Panasonic Water Flosser for travel, the ultimate solution for keeping your oral hygiene in check no matter where life takes you. Compact, portable, and designed for convenience, this cordless flosser features a collapsible water tank, allowing it to shrink down to a fraction of its size for easy storage in your bag, suitcase, or even your pocket. Perfect for travel, the gym, or quick on-the-go cleanings. Don't let its small size fool you. It comes with 2 water pressure settings, a gentle mode for sensitive gums, and a more powerful mode for tackling stubborn plaque and debris between teeth. This gives you flexibility, whether you're looking for a light refresh or a deep clean after a big meal. Its cordless, battery-operated design means no need to worry about finding outlets or carrying chargers, making it a hassle-free companion for trips or everyday use. The easy-to-fill collapsible water tank provides just the right amount of water for effective flossing without unnecessary bulk. Plus, its waterproof design means it's safe to use in the shower, saving you time in your daily routine. If you need a reliable, lightweight, and travel-friendly water flosser that still delivers a powerful clean, the Panasonic Water Flosser is a perfect choice. It's practical, easy to use, and ideal for anyone on the move who doesn't want to compromise on their oral health. Compact, effective, and ready to go, this flosser is your new travel essential. Next on the list is the Bitvae Cordless Water Dental Flosser, a perfect balance of power, convenience, and customization to take your oral care routine to the next level. This flosser is designed for deep cleaning with its 3 flossing modes, normal, soft, and pulse, and an impressive 5 intensity levels, allowing you to tailor the water pressure to your comfort, whether you have sensitive gums or need a more powerful clean. The flosser features a cordless, rechargeable design, making it super portable and easy to use at home, at the office, or while traveling. It's equipped with a long-lasting battery that gives you weeks of use on a single charge, and it's IPX7 waterproof, so you can confidently use it in the shower without worry. The 360-degree rotating nozzle ensures that no area is missed, effectively removing plaque, food debris, and bacteria from even the hardest-to-reach places. Compact yet powerful, the Bitvae Water Dental Flosser is perfect for people with braces, dental implants, or anyone looking to improve their gum health. With its multiple modes, customizable intensities, and portable design, it's a versatile and affordable option that fits perfectly into any lifestyle. Say goodbye to traditional flossing struggles and hello to cleaner teeth, healthier gums, and fresher breath, all with the Bitvae Water Flosser. Last but definitely not least, we have the AquaSonic Icon Water Flosser, a sleek and powerful tool designed to give you professional-level dental cleaning at home or on the go. This cordless, rechargeable oral irrigator combines portability with powerful performance, making it a great option for anyone looking to upgrade their oral hygiene routine. The high-pressure jet tip is perfect for tackling plaque, food debris, and bacteria that brushing alone can't reach, especially for those with braces, implants, or sensitive gums. It features a waterproof design, IPX7, so you can comfortably use it in the shower, saving you time and making flossing effortless. Designed with convenience in mind, the compact, travel-friendly build makes it easy to toss into your bag for use at home, work, or while traveling. The rechargeable battery offers long-lasting performance on a single charge, so you don't have to worry about constantly plugging it in. With its powerful yet gentle cleaning capabilities and sleek, modern design, the AquaSonic Icon Water Flosser is perfect for anyone looking for a portable, mess-free, and effective way to maintain cleaner teeth and healthier gums. Whether you're at home or on the move, this flosser is your go-to tool for fresh, confident smiles. And that's our lineup of the best water flossers for 2025 to keep your teeth sparkling clean and your gums healthier than ever. Whether you're looking for something portable like the Waterpik Cordless Slide, advanced options like the Philips Sonicare Power Flosser, or stylish tools like the AquaSonic Icon, there's a perfect pick for everyone.